What if I told you that this Instagram account made over $27,000 in a month just from posting images generated by AI? AI is taking the world by storm and has opened up many new opportunities to make money online. And if you watch this video to the very end, I'll show you exactly how they've been able to do it and also give you a step-by-step blueprint how you can start your own AI Instagram theme page and achieve similar or even better results. With valuable knowledge from my own experience in creating theme pages, this video is sure to provide value to you. So stick around and let's get into it. Step 1. Creating the account. We need to pick a niche that will connect with viewers on the emotional and sentiment spectrum, as well as open up a variety of earning opportunities for us too. To find niches that satisfy these demands, I used, you guessed it, ChatGPT. To search for content that was high in demand, I used this specific prompt, which you can copy and paste from the video description. This prompt would filter all the possible content ideas and find those that establish an emotional connection with the viewer, whilst also paving the way to more means of monetization. It extracts all the living gold ideas and almost guarantees the success of our theme pages. On my theme page, I chose AI love stories, which I then put through another round of idea creation in order to target a more specific audience. Doing this will increase the likelihood that the people who watch my content actually likes it, and thus will make it easier to grow a large following. After figuring this out, there are quite a few things you need to do in order to make your account look professional and trustworthy. But sharing and elaborating on all of them in this video will make it too long. So here's a quick list for you. Pause if you have to. If you want a full tutorial on this, check out the first link in the video description. This is a very important step and you should not avoid doing it. Step 2. Creating the content itself. And this is where AI shines the brightest. Before doing this, here's the general outline of what we're trying to achieve here. We're going to create videos like this, where the AI generated art sits as the background footage, while an AI voice recorder reads out a story.
Processing data and code. But deep within her circuits, she longed for something more.
Now, let's start. Firstly, download a Chrome extension called AI PRM. This will upgrade your version of ChatGPT so that you have endless pre-existing prompts to choose from and save your time. When you log back into ChatGPT, it will look something like this. Search for Midjourney and click this prompt. You can then type out what the images that you want and it will return a detailed prompt that will surely create a precise and aesthetic image. All you have to do is head on over to Midjourney and key in this prompt. But Midjourney costs $10 a month, and majority of you guys wouldn't want to pay for that. And so, I introduce to you Leonardo.ai, which is completely free. You can then choose the best pictures that you like, upsize them, and save them for later. Now, head on over to ChatGPT and ask it to write you the script for your story. Again, you can copy and paste the prompt from the video description down below. Check through the story and make sure the images you created suit the storyline. Also, you want to make sure that when read out, the whole script is less than a minute, so that it can be posted on YouTube Shorts too. Once you have your prompt, you can then head on over to 11 Labs and generate an AI voiceover. Right now, it's one of the best ones out there and also has a free plan if you don't want to spend money on it just yet. There are many different voices to choose from, and all you have to do is pick one. Once you're done with the voiceover, download it, and it's finally time to string all the elements together. I'm not going to go too in-depth into this segment as it will make this video very long, but all you have to do is choose any video editor you like and use it to edit all the pictures and voiceover together, and top it off with captions for the video so that it makes it more easily understood by the viewers. Also, pro tip, make it so that you're continuously zooming in on the picture, and this is done through using keyframes. Research this if you have to. And there you have it, viral content. But don't start celebrating just yet. There's still one very important thing that needs to be done. In the first line of your video description, ask a question related to the post to incentivize readers to comment on your post. In the following lines, include a CTA or a call to action, such as follow at your account, and then the relevant tags at the bottom. After that, it's time to upload, baby. In general, the best time to upload is around 12 to 3 PM, as that's when most people are active on social media. But you can do your own research for different time zones and see which timing is the best. As to how frequent you should upload, optimally it's best to upload at least once a day to gain traction quickly, but if that's too hard, 3 times a week. As your videos start gaining more and more traction and begins to reach newer audiences, you can then promote products from Etsy or ClickBank that are somewhat related to your topic, as your audience are those mostly interested in the content you upload would by logic probably also like the product from that genre. To the 10% of you guys who stuck to the end, you guys are the real champions. But now, it's your turn. Take action. I've already laid out the exact blueprint of this side hustle, and it's now time for you to follow it. Always remember to upload consistently, whilst following the principle of quality over quantity. This side hustle, if done properly, could make or break your passive income probabilities. So take it seriously, work hard, remain disciplined, and I promise the results will come. I will keep posting on my account and show you the results in my future video if we reach 50 subscribers by the end of this August. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.